Na mashindano ya kuogelea kitengo cha tatu kaunti ya Nairobi yamekamilika, huku baadhi ya waogeleaji wakivunja rekodi na kuandikisha muda bora. Don Dirango vilevile alivunja rekodi yake ya mita 50 mtindo wa butterfly na kuandikisha muda mpya. Hii ni mara ya pili Dirango kuweza kuvunja rekodi hiyo. Kwingine Leila Weba na Michael Mushoki waliandikisha muda bora mbali na kushinda dhahabu.
Last year I also broke it with a time of 36. It wasn't for my coach training me for the 50 fly. I don't think I would have broken a record. I wouldn't have been here. I want to the next gala. I want to lower my 50 fly time by 2 seconds. Maybe that's possible if I train hard.
As far as the event has gone, it has gone quite well. We've improved our times. We have swum the way we expected to swim, especially during training. So I feel like the training I've gotten from the coaches, both at school and elsewhere, has contributed to some of the successes I've had. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to see the new generation come up as well. And I hope we can push forward. Yeah.
This event has gone really well. I've cut time on all of my events, and I'm really happy with the times that I've been making. So I'm really happy with how this gala has been going. So I just think that if I keep managing to cut time like this, then it will be really good.